Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I am still sick, but it's been, a month since I posted something, so I definitely wanted to get this out. So please excuse my voice. But let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. I'm starting with a 20-ounce skinny tumbler from the Stainless Depot, and we're going to go ahead and prep this tumbler. It's just a regular stainless, and I'm going to use my sanding sponge to sand down that protective layer that's on the tumbler. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this little tab off the bottom. You don't need it, so I take it off. And then I'm just sanding away all of that protective layer. And once that is done, I will use 91% rubbing alcohol to clean all of the dust and debris off of this tumbler. So this is going to be a fairly simple tumbler. It has been done quite a while, but I have not been able to talk. So yeah, I got these vinyls from Gracefully Created. I'll link everything that I used in the description box below. And I'm going to do a split tumbler using these vinyls. This, I guess you could say, is a Valentine's cup. However, I didn't put anything specific that it is only for Valentine's Day, so you definitely be able to use it all year round. So I cut off a little bit of that backing, and then I'm going to place the stripes up at the top of the tumbler. Use my squeegee to remove the rest of the backing, go all the way around, and then cut off the excess vinyl. And then for the hearts, I'm going to do the same thing. Use the bottom, the hearts on the bottom. And I am cutting it a little bigger than I really need, so I can cut away the excess using my, whatever that thing is called. I'm sorry. I got it from, I can't even think right now. I'm so sorry. But everything will be listed in the description box below. Cup edging tool, that's what it is. I'm going to use the cup edging tool to cut off the excess at the bottom. So I do need to put the blade down on the lowest area. And I did get this from Cami Page Boutique. And then now that I've got all of that, I'm just going to pop any bubbles that I may find. And I'm going to, I was going to spray paint this, but then it started pouring and I couldn't. So I mixed up some paint to be the color of that green vinyl. And I'm just going to paint the bottom. I am going to use Nookie from Peachy Olive Glitters, and this has such gorgeous shifts in it that it matches the vinyl so well, but you can still tell that it's green. So I do use Nookie, take off the tape once that's done, let this completely dry, and then once that's dry, before I even start to epoxy, I'm going to go ahead and do, I made a heart border, but then I did an offset of the heart and then an inset of the heart, if that makes sense. Or you could do two offsets because I really wanted all three of these colors. I used a gold and then a couple stripes of the pink and I guess it's a different color, two different color pinks from the vinyl. I'm going to go ahead and take my transfer tape, and I'm going to apply all the offsets together before I place it on the cup. And you'll see that here in a little bit where I struggled with trying to get it straight onto the cup. Here I'm just lining up the top portion of the border onto the middle portion. And then once I'm happy with where that's placed, I will then take both of these and place it onto the gold offset. Now I'm making sure that the start of the border will be on the back and where all the seams are. And I just struggled with wrapping it around and making sure that it met up in the correct place on the other side. So I finally get it on there and remove the transfer tape. And a couple of the hearts were not, the inner hearts weren't exactly where I wanted them. So I'm just fixing that. Once that's done, I am going to seal this with a CC DIY quick coat and then give it its several coats of epoxy. And this is it. I did not put a decal or anything on this. I figured it was busy enough as it was. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.